In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save LibreOffice Impress as PPTX. If you need to share your presentation with people who use Microsoft PowerPoint, saving as a .pptx file is the most compatible option. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to help your slides look the way you expect. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. You can open the app from your Applications menu or simply double-click your existing presentation file if that's faster. Once Impress is open, make sure the presentation you want to convert is loaded. If it isn't, go to the main window and open your document so it's front and center. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and open the File menu. From there, choose Save As. This opens the Save dialog, where you'll pick a location, a file name, and the format. It's a good moment to choose a clear, descriptive name so you can tell your new PowerPoint version apart from your original. If you want to keep both, add something like PPTX to the end of the file name so you don't overwrite the source file. In the Save dialog, find the Save as Type or File Type drop-down at the bottom. Click it to reveal the available formats. Scroll through the list and select PowerPoint 2007 to 365 by PTX. This is the modern Microsoft PowerPoint format that works best with current versions of PowerPoint and most online presentation tools. After selecting .pptx, click Save. LibreOffice may show a Confirm File Format warning. This message appears because some LibreOffice-specific features, fonts, or advanced objects might render differently in PowerPoint. To proceed with the Microsoft format, click Use PowerPoint 2007-365 format. That tells Impress to create a true .pptx file rather than keeping it in the open document format. A few quick tips for a smooth conversion. Try to use common fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman, since not all systems have the same fonts installed. If your presentation includes videos or audio, standard formats such as MP4 for video and MP3 for audio tend to travel better between apps. Complex animations and transitions may look slightly different in PowerPoint, so it's a good idea to review the saved .ptx afterward to ensure everything appears as expected. That's all there is to it. By opening your presentation, choosing File, Save As, selecting PowerPoint 2007 to 365 PTX, and confirming the format when prompted, you'll have a PowerPoint-ready version you can share confidently. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.